Alright, there we go. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the no, not this one, the PTC camera. It is a generic brand, and it is, you can look at the model number right here. There we go. The model is DD0350, or I'll just put it in the link in the bottom for the eBay, and we're going to do an unboxing of it. Just got this in today. Nice packaging. And this over here I'm using, I bought this separately. Just packaging. This is instruction manual. Little software. I don't think I expected that, but that's nice. And there's the camera. Very nice and large. Made of metal. Very nice construction. Comes with the bracket. I didn't expect that either. Very surprised. You can compare it to my hand and see how large this camera is. Very nice. There's the connectors to it. This one right here is the microphone, Ethernet, and then the power. I think this may have PoE built in just the Ethernet part. And then this is the weatherproof cap for the Ethernet. And I'm going to hook it up here in a second. And I'm not going to power it on until I start recording again. See you in a second. Okay, I have the power connector. I'm going to try and do this one-handed, which is not going to be very easy. I will remove the plastic. Actually, no, I cannot do that. I have to keep it on before I actually install it. And this is an outdoor camera. You can use it outdoor or indoor. Let me get a hold of it. Here, I'll just plug it in. You'll know how it looks. Pretty much. Okay. Just powered on the camera. Plugged in. Haven't seen nothing happen yet. I don't know if I got the right cord for it, honestly. It has a area where it does not rotate, so that'd be like the back. I'll get this set up later and another day. I don't think it rotates like other cameras. Let me try another cord here in a second. Pause the video here again. Okay, got another cord, and I'm plugging it in right now as we speak. Oh, it's moving. Cool. See it moving? That is the leveling. Very neat. It's turning that way. Not the fastest spinning camera, but it's really fast for me. Never ever had a camera. Okay, that was the end point, because the little tag over here, and it's coming back around. Very neat. See, it's turning. And this camera cost me $50. Very neat. Well, I will show you the setup of it whenever I get a chance. That's the webbing, or if you can, yeah, those lines, it's just plastic from whenever they manufactured it. But I'll show you the process of it whenever I actually do it. I'll record that video. But until then, that is the unboxing of the PTZ camera. I will put it in the title description for you guys so you can know what to buy if y'all want to pick up one of these off of eBay. It's really nice for a camera. I don't know if I can see it with this camera. No, I don't see the IR lights. Maybe. Let me try and turn the light off. See if I can see any IR lights. What is that? Oh, that's the IR lights. They do emit a little bit of a red light, but you cannot really see them. To you, this looks purple, but in our naked eye, it's red. Let me try and cover it up. Yeah, it's bright. I would have never thought that the IR emitter would be so bright. Well, imagine it being like that red, low tone in our naked eye, but purple in the camera's eyes. So it's basically a light you can't see, like an LED light you can. It's like invisible to us. The only thing that's not invisible is the red light to our eyes. So it's not going to appear the same on the camera as it does our eyes, because it's going to be hidden from whoever's going to be around the camera and doesn't see it. Well, that is the unboxing of the camera that I just got. $50, not bad for a pretty good camera. It's actually made of metal. Really nice. Comes with the CD software, a outdoor waterproof connector for the Ethernet port. But I'll show you guys whenever I actually start hooking it up. Till then, I'll show you in the next video.